Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharul Ezuan bin Matshah. I am from University Kuala Lumpur, Malaysian France Institute from course Bachelor Engineering Technology in Mechatronics. So I interned as a VISI Energy as System Integration Trainer, started from 14 February until 29 July 2022. In this project, I mainly involving and contribution in mechanical installation, electrical installation, and also the troubleshooting of mechanical and electrical installation. One of the projects that I involved during my internship, so this project is named Renewable Energy Solar System. Project is objective for the education purpose. This is the button, so you can select either to left or the right. The left is for the TMB power source and the right is for inverter battery source. So let me show you how to this machine operate. So first, this is LCB, MCB, this for the TMB power source, and then the DC MCB, this is for battery and inverter. So if I turn on the inverter, automatically the MPPT controller is be on, and then I will turn on the DC, the next MCB, which is for the solar panel, and then after I on, at the display of the controller, it also display the solar panel is running and all the system is running. Lastly, the internship program at the VISI Energy Sdn is very interesting and many knowledge can be gained. So I would like to say thank you to VISI Energy to give me opportunity to intern at your company. Thank you.